In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change color of app folder. Begin by tapping on any folder and then clicking on this icon next to a +1 at the top right corner. Following that, you can pick any of those colors right away. And when you're finished, tap on Home button. If you want to try something more interesting, click on the same icon. And this time select color wheel next to an X. Now you can adjust your color however you wish to. When you're finished, hit done. Then tap on Home button, and as you can see, color of my folder has changed. If you want to go back to a default one, click on it, tap on color icon, and select this first option on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!